Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper diya holder. So this is a very easy way of making a paper diya holder, and it is useful too. So you can make many of these holders, and you can place diyas inside it, and you can hang it as a wall decor. You can also keep this as a home decor for Diwali, and you can also gift it to your friends and family. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this beautiful diya holder. So first, for this activity, we need to take a paper diya. So I already made a diya, you guys can make it, and I've already posted a video in my channel about how to make a paper diya. You guys can visit that. If you want, I'll also provide the description for that in the link below. So first, for this activity, I'm just going to be taking a rectangular piece of paper. So my diya holder is going to be reddish pink, so I'm taking that color. You guys can take any color you prefer or like. So first, after we take this paper, I'm just going to be keeping this aside, and I'm taking another small rectangle like this, and I'm just going to be folding it in half. So now I'm just going to be taking the diya, for which I'm going to be making a holder, and I'm keeping it, and I'm also taking a pencil, and I'm going to be drawing an outline for it. So we have to do this slowly. So I'm just going to be drawing the outline. So after we draw the outline, I'm just going to be taking a scissor and I'm cutting it out. So we'll get totally 2 circles because we are folding the paper in half. So the drawing might not be perfect, but we can draw it because we all know how to draw a circle, so we can just draw it simply. So now we'll get 2 structures like this, so you guys can use an eraser or a rubber to rub it as well. So after we get 2 circles, I'm keeping 1 circle aside, and I'm keeping the diya aside as well. And I'm taking a rectangular piece of paper, and I'm folding the paper at the bottom part like this. So now I'm just going to be taking the scissor, and I'm going to be cutting the paper until this line, slowly like this. So this we're cutting this so that it will be easy to glue it. So we have to cut it slowly, and be careful while using scissor because there are incidents in which children cut their fingers while using a scissor. So I'm cutting it slowly, you guys can cut it out. So be careful that you make the correct measure over here while folding the line. If you make it in a different measure, then it won't be proper. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be folding the paper. I'm going to be folding the strips inside, and I'm placing it like this. So now I'm just going to be taking a new glue bottle again, and I'm just going to be applying some glue on these cutted strips over here. So you guys can apply a little bit of glue, and once you stick it, you can apply it again. But I'm going to be applying it at once so that it won't be difficult enough. So I'm just going to be applying some more in the areas where glue is not there. So now I'm just going to be taking the circle and I'm placing it over here. So now I'm just going to be rotating this, and I'm going to be gluing the circle over here. So we have to do this slowly. I'll show it to you guys once I finished, and it is very complicated to do that. So please do it slowly, or else it won't turn out good. Please do not think that it is very easy. Indeed, it is very hard to do this. But if you use a glue gun, it might be more easier because glue sticks very easily in glue guns. So now I'm just going to be sticking it over here, and I'm going to be taking this glue bottle and I'm going to be keeping it in, and I'm pressing it so that it will stick more properly. So now I'm just going to be applying some glue over here, and I'm going to be sticking the remaining part like this. So now we'll get a circular structure like this, and I'm just going to be pressing it, and I'm sticking the remaining parts over here. So after we get a circular structure, I'm going to be taking a rectangular strip of paper, same color. You guys can take a different color if you like. So I'm just going to be applying some glue onto the corner parts of the paper slowly like this. So I'm repeating the same step on the same side of the paper on the opposite side as well. So now I'm just going to be sticking one piece over here, and now I'm rotating this part and I'm sticking it slowly. So I'm just going to be sticking it slowly like this. So after we complete this, our paper diya holder is ready. So this is a very easy way of making a paper diya holder, and it is useful too. So you guys can use your own creativity to design it, and you can put any design you like. You can also use watercolor, glitter paper, foam sheets to stick on it, or you can make it with cardboard or any other strong material, and you can seriously put another strong diya as well. So you can just keep it on a table or anything, or you can just take a screw, or you can stick it onto the wall, or you can just apply some tape and stick it. But if you're going to be putting a real diya, please put something hard and hang this on and make it very strong, or else if it falls, then the fire will catch everywhere. So please be careful while you're going to be putting a real diya, but I prefer you use a paper diya. It looks more realistic, and it is useful as well. We can take the other circle, and we're supposed to stick it onto the bottom part of the paper over here. So it is not necessary to do that, but if you guys want to make it more decorative, and if you see at the bottom part, it's going to be looking ugly over here. So if we stick this other part over here, it will look more beautiful. So I didn't show you guys in the video because it's not necessary to do that. It's just voluntary. So I'm just going to be showing this for the people who want to do the step. So I'm just going to be applying some glue all around the circle slowly. Now I'm just going to be sticking this part onto the bottom part of the red holder. So after we complete this, I'm just turning it, and as I said, our paper diya holder is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So as I said, you guys can use your own creativity and design it in any way you like to look beautiful in any color. And I said that I'm going to be providing the description for this diya, for the link for this diya in the description. Please watch that, and you can put this over here like this, or you can also make it in a little smaller size, and you can if you make it in a little smaller size, you can place it in the top part over here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So I want to thank you all for supporting me and my channel, and keep watching my channel and continue supporting me. Bye.